I, Dr. Kapil Govil, welcome you in this video. In this video, we will add two arrays. So let's see what is the scenario. Suppose this is an array having index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means 6 elements can be stored in this array, and we have named as capital A. And another array is another array is B, capital B, and index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we are assuming that both array are of same size. It means 6 elements are there, 6 elements may be there. So let's take some elements like 5, 2, 7, 8, 3, 4, 1, 0, 2, 8, 3, 6. Suppose this is the scenario, and we have to add these two arrays and we have to store into another array, that is C. So C array will be like this, and index number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what we need, addition of these numbers will be stored here. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6, and then 2, 9, 16, 6 and 10. This should be the result. So first of all, we have to take input A, then we have to take input B, then we have to add A and B and to store into C, and then we have to print C. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, we are including header file. Starting of main function. For integer, we are taking array A of 6 elements, B array of 6 elements, of course C array will be of 6 elements, and we will be needing I variable, and if another variable we will be required, then we will add later on. And then for screening, for clearing screen, CLR, SCR. And first of all, we have to take input A. Then we are starting loop for I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, printf, enter value for A array, and then scanf ampersand AI. So what will be happening here? We have printed message, enter value for A array, and then we are storing value at AI. I will be 0. So at 0th position, value will be stored. It may be 5 or any other number. Then iteration will be incremented, and then I will be 1. And at 1 position, it will be again stored any number, maybe 2 or any other number. So it will be for 0 to 5. So we will be storing all these numbers. What we can do, we can store value of B array in the same loop, so that lines will be less for the program. So now printf enter value for B array, %D and B. But this concept is having a problem for user. Like first for iteration 0, for I equal to 0, first of all user have to input for A like 5, then immediately they have to give value for B like this. So user have to be very clear what they are giving value. So first they have to give this value, then this value, then again this A1, B1, then A2, B2, C, A3, B3, A4, B4, So user must be very clear. If you do not want this concept, then what you have to do, you have to start two separate arrays, separate loops. So you have to close this, and here you have to start another loop for I equal to 0 to 5. So it will take B array. So now in the present program, we are not taking another loop, and we are closing it here. So it will take A values for A and values for B. Now we have to add A and B and to store into C. Now we are taking another loop for adding A and B and to store C. So for I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus, C I equal to AI plus BI. So it will add AI and BI. So I will be 0, this will be value will be 5, and value of BI will be 1. So 5 plus 1 will be added 6, and 6 will be stored at CI. I value is 0, so it will be stored here. Then iteration incremented, value of I will be 1. So 2 and 0 will be added. It will be resulting 2, and 2 will be stored at C1. So this loop will be executed till 5, and it will be stored in CI. Now we have to print C array, and of course we can print here, but now we are taking another loop. I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, printf /n %d C I, and that's it. Now we are writing get ch and closing main function. So by this concept you can add two arrays with similar size. Here we have taken an array of 6 elements and B array of 6 elements. Then we have added both arrays. I hope this concept is now clear to you. If you love this video, if you like this video, so please share this video among your friends, which are available in WhatsApp groups and Facebook. So thanks for watching this video.